Good evening, students. Am I audible? If yes, please give a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, hello students. I think we have 23 students right now watching our live. I want to wait 2 more minutes so that everyone can be here and be further listen to their prizes. Good evening. Yes. Okay, let's we all know the weekly series now, show and tell about your bot. We'll show you our video, first video of the series.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूंटे से बंदी है हवा में।
I joined robotics at December 29, 2019 at Guntur branch.
मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना।
My first robot is excavator.
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू?
My dream robot is to make object avoiding robot.
मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए।
My goal is to make man robot.
खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है।
Every moment in class is best moment after joining robotics.
झम से बिखर तू है नदियों बेखबर पहचल कर।
Now let us see how it works. On remote channel 5 there is a slide switch. When the switch is slided upward, it will rotate, motor will rotate in clockwise direction. When the switch is slided downward, motor will rotate anti-clockwise direction. Now let us see how it works. Take a piece of paper and turn on the drilling machine. Place the drilling machine on the paper. Now, we can see that the drilling machine has cut the paper. This is how the drilling machine works. Thank you everyone.
उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
I'm sorry students for keeping you waiting. Now let's come to our competition. We have this competition for main important reason to keep your minds active in this pandemic. We know we all became so passive because of these online classes and it is so bad. Now we got a chance to show our skills and our innovation. Now we took 4 criteria for this competition to declare winners. This is innovation, creativity, presentation skills and technical aspects. We judged 4 aspects individually. We scored them out of 10 and finally we got winners. And here is the surprise. We told we'll give you 3 winners, but we can't resist ourselves to appreciate you and give one more winner. So totally 4 winners and 2 special appreciations. And you will understand why. I think you all saw the videos we posted in the YouTube channel. Every kid did a wonderful job. We did not expect this amount of skill from you all at this time. You all know about Joe. Joe is joy of entrepreneurship. We want to tell you about Joe right now because we don't have social skills right now to these students because there are very less interactions right now. The pandemic is happening, no one is going outside. We are going to teach Joe where we teach from basic communication skills to basic business skills and economics, everything which are important for kid and his future. These kids are going to come out of this with flying colors, and they are going to face real world with enthusiasm and understand the world better, because all failures should be accepted. We have to get back from them. Even in this competition there will be winners, there will be, I don't want to say that everyone is going to win in this competition, because everyone did a really good job. There is no discrimination here in this particular thing, but in real life we need to accept failures and get back from them. For all of it, you are going to be well trained in this program. If any parents are interested, please contact us. We will give you the contact number in the description. Now in this competition, the winners, coming to the winners, I am sorry for keeping you waiting so long. Now is the time, we are going to start. We made 3 categories, I think you all know, level 1 and 2, category number 1, category number 2 is level 3 and 4, category number 3 is level 5 and level 6. We got 3 winners now and a special winner, which you will know right now. So first category is, the best bot of first category was won by the bot is hospital floor cleaner by Ashish Nuka from Warangal. Congratulations Ashish, and your instructor is Sukanya madam. We are proud of your innovation. During this pandemic you raised to the need of hour and came up with a beautiful solution. We are proud of you and congratulations again. And winner from category number 2, that is from level 3 and level 4, the best bot is a solid waste extracting bot by Kadyot Srihan. Congratulations Srihan from Guntur. Your instructor Lokesh sir, very well done. The project was too good and a potential idea to make this earth a better place for our future generations. I am really happy with this kind of environmental friendly project you made. Congrats. Level 5 and 6, category number 3 was won by, this is a group project. The bot was a special smart water dispenser by Abhichandra and Ashwath from level 6 Warangal. Congratulations Abhichandra and Ashwath and your trainer Sukanya ma'am. You are really amazing. The project gave us the solution to this modern problem of pandemic, and we need this contamination free water, and you gave us the solution. Thank you so much. And now comes the surprise winner. You cannot expect this, because this is not any hi-fi project we want to address. We want to appreciate the level 1 kid who did a really great job in presenting his project and the way he presented, and we want to appreciate his skills. So this is for level 1 kid. Can you guess the kid? He is Himasailesh, sorry. Congratulations Himasailesh and his instructor Bhargav sir. You did a really great job for your level. So we want to appreciate you. This is the 4 winners from this competition. Now we want to give special appreciation to 2 projects. These projects also came really close to the winners, but there are few points difference in number for their scores. So we want to give them at least special appreciation because they missed by really small margin. The 2 projects, project number 1 is grass cutter by Puneet from Guntur and his instructor Lokesh sir. Congratulations both of you, you deserve this special appreciation. And project number 2 is floor cleaner by Charan Tej and Divya. Their instructor is Bhargav sir. Congratulations, you are from Guntur. This also needs a special appreciation for their skills they showed during this project. Now I told there is one more surprise to all of you. Apart from winners and these kids who made all these projects, we want to give this surprise to the parents and instructors, all of you. The surprise is all of you are going to be coming in a live interactive session with our chairman of Sri Rena Technologies. This is going to be a YouTube live. I want to repeat again, this is for the kids who won, all the 4 projects who won, and the 2 special appreciation projects. Their parents and their instructors are going to be part of this beautiful project of live interactive session. This is going to be really entertaining and a learning experience for all of us. because all our great minds going to be in a single room, maybe not a single room but still a Zoom room. We are going to share everything, and we want to discuss about our projects and how they came up with these projects and what more can be done in future, what the students are thinking about these projects and their personal experiences with robots. Everything we are going to discuss. I want to appreciate every student who participated in this. There is no winners and losers in this particular competition, because we can actually see this all the projects are wonderful, but we have to select a few, so we gave 4 winners and also appreciation. I want to thank all the parents who encouraged their kids. Despite the pandemic, you helped them come up with ideas, and everyone did a great job. So thank you. If you have any queries, you can ask in the chat. If you want me to repeat the winners, I will repeat once again. Category 1 Ashish Nuka, Category 2 Kadyot Srihan, Category 3 Abhichandra and Ashwath, and a special winner Himasailesh. The 2 special appreciation projects by project number 1 is Puneet, project 2 Divya and Charantej. Okay, thank you. This is our first competition. We will try to make things better. We are going to come up with new ideas. We want to welcome you to give your ideas and share your videos every week, so that we can post in this channel. This is a medium for you to show your talent. If anything out of your way happened, we are sorry. If you can't submit your Google Forms or any technical aspects, next time we will make sure no problem will be there, and any of your concerns are welcome. We will provide our contacts in this description below.